Welcome to Open M.I.C. I'm Mark Murphy, CEO of Atlatl Software, here with Zac Cooper, Director of Sales. Zac, when you're out talking to customers, what tools are they using now for configuration and sales of complex products?
Mark, great question. And, it's interesting. Predominantly, the most widespread tool that we come across today, believe it or not, it's actually Excel. But there come some difficulties when using Excel for managing configuration rules and pricing for your sales team. First and foremost, we find that sales reps don't actually understand how to use Excel. So more often than not, when speaking with manufacturers on a day-to-day basis, when we ask who manages this Excel sheet, this Excel workflow, it's typically the engineers. So in a hope to alleviate internal resources from the sales and quoting process through Excel, we have found that Excel becomes just an additional touch point as part of the process for getting a quote out the door.
So what's really driving their need to modernize today?
I think first and foremost, modernizing the sales process starts with enabling the sales rep to facilitate the sales process and the quote of highly engineered, complex physical products without the assistance of an engineer. And we've seen groups do this. We've seen groups modernize and take that transformation from Excel to a product configurator, but we still run into that same bottleneck. When asking the manufacturer, that's great that you have a configurator in-house today. Who's using it? Our engineers use it. Well, why are your engineers using your configurator? It's too complex for the sales rep to understand. And that's the value we see of Atlatl software. We help simplify the complex with an easy-to-use sales product configurator, alleviating the engineer first and foremost, replacing Excel from the process, and updating the configurator environment with the user friendliness. So whether it's a 25-year sales veteran or a 5-year sales rep, they have the ability to be empowered and enabled to quote those highly complex physical products shoulder to shoulder with their end consumer.
Excellent. Thank you. We'd love to continue this conversation. Reach out to us at atlatlsoftware.com.